Live from downtown Detroit, home of WDIV and Click on Detroit, Local 4 News at noon starts now.
And we're tracking the very latest developments in the coronavirus pandemic, including the first drive-through testing site for COVID-19, which opens today in Oakland County. But first, a house fire on Detroit's west side sends several children to the hospital. That story does top our news here at noon. Thank you for joining us. I'm Everard Cassimy. Right now, 5 children are in the hospital, and that does include a 3-year-old. There was a fire that happened this morning on Otsego Street in the area of Joy Road and I-96. Larry Sproul joins us there live now. And Larry, how are those children doing?
Well, Everard, they are all recovering in the hospital. That 3-year-old is in critical condition, but most of the fire started at the top of the house. And that 3-year-old girl, she is fighting for her life this afternoon. You can see what's left of this multi-family home on Otsego Street in Detroit Thursday morning. Local 4 here on scene as crews tried to put out the fire. We know several people, including little kids, were inside the home at the time. Our cameras there as firefighters carried each of them outside one by one. First, a little girl with braids. Then 2 little boys brought out next. We spoke to a neighbor who lives upstairs. They did not want to show their face or name on camera, but tells us the fire started in just minutes.
I woke up to a noise, you know what I mean? And I just got up and went straight to the front door. Like, I don't know what it was, you know what I'm saying? I think it was a guy talking to me because I was dead asleep. Go to the front, look through the peephole, and I hear somebody arguing downstairs. I think they arguing. And then I'm listening. So my girl comes to the front too. And then she listening, and I said, I don't know what's going on, but I smell fire. I'm like, go put some clothes on.
And so I did mention that 3-year-old girl, but also several more kids, as we did mention, were taken to the hospital between the ages of 5 and 10 years old. They are suffering from smoke inhalation. Now, also fire officials say this fire is under investigation. We're live on the Detroit's west side this afternoon. Larry Sproul, Local 4.
Our thoughts are, of course, with those children, Larry, and their family. Thank you for the update there. And now to our continuing coverage of the coronavirus. We are tracking more major developments in the pandemic. Statewide, the number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in Michigan has now risen to 28,059. This was just as of Wednesday afternoon. And we've lost, sadly, more than 1,900 people. We've learned Beaumont Wayne Hospital is laying off staff members and temporarily closing. The hospital says that it has discharged and transferred its last remaining coronavirus patients. And the Rocket Mortgage Classic has been rescheduled to July 2nd through the 5th. The PGA Tour says that the golf tournament will be played without fans. In the meantime, Oakland County has opened its first drive-through COVID-19 testing site today. It's located right behind the county medical examiner's office in Pontiac. And as Local 4's Nick Monticelli shows us, this new testing site comes at a very critical time.
Good afternoon. A steady stream of vehicles here by appointment only on the main campus of Oakland County's offices. All those here are saying this testing is critically important because if they don't have the numbers, they can't make any decisions on when to reopen things. And again, this is by appointment only.
You can't just show up. You have to be symptomatic, and those are the state health rules that you need to be symptomatic. Eventually, we're going to need to test a lot more people, even the asymptomatic, but we simply don't have enough tests and testing supplies right now.
Oakland County Executive Dave Coulter says testing right now is critically important, trying to understand where we stand in this pandemic.
We talk about the peak, and are we at the peak? Frankly, we haven't tested enough people to know exactly whether we're at the peak or not.
The drive-through testing only takes a few minutes per patient, and results come back in 24 to 48 hours.
Now we need to find out about maybe milder or moderate symptoms that are going on in the community. This will really give us a good picture of what we're looking at and whether or not we're approaching a time where it might be safe to start talking about those plans to bring people back to work.
Oakland County was not alone today. Wayne County opened a testing drive-through in Southgate outside of Sam's Club. Again, testing those with symptoms, healthcare workers, and first responders. But for both locations, it's by appointment only, and contact tracing is ramping up again, monitoring those exposed for symptoms.
Because otherwise the spread just continues, so this will really help us to end the curve.
Which also means reopening methodically.
It's going to be in phases. We're going to have to do it again, following the science and doing it the right way so that we don't have a spike.
In Pontiac, Nick Monticelli, Local 4.
New at noon, Detroit Police Chief James Craig says that he has recovered from the coronavirus. He says that his latest test came back negative for COVID-19. Mayor Mike Duggan announced that the chief had the virus back on March 27th. He has been recovering at home ever since, and we're told the chief is expected to talk a little bit later today. Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan talked to CNN about the state of coronavirus here in Detroit. Mayor Duggan says preventative measures are working, even though deaths are rising.
The hospital beds are much less crowded. The ventilators are much less used. The state and the feds built a 1,000-bed field hospital at our convention center, and as of yesterday, only 16 beds were occupied. So we are succeeding. Social distancing in southeastern Michigan is working.
Mayor Duggan says a key area of concern is nursing homes, and we do expect again to hear from the mayor this afternoon with more on the virus. Out of cash, government officials say the fund for small business loans might be empty, and Congress can't agree on how to replenish it. Tracy Potts is in Washington this afternoon as plans on how to reopen America for business are expected to be revealed today.
Today, first with governors, then in a news conference, President Trump plans to unveil his guidelines for how America will reopen for business. He says that states will be able to control what happens in their areas, but he's got a plan, and ultimately, he believes, the final say. 50 state governors on a call with President Trump today, deciding when and how to reopen the country for business.
We'll be opening up states, some states much sooner than others, and we think some of the states can actually open up before the deadline of May 1st.
According to a draft plan, regions in recovery from COVID-19 would start scaling back social distancing in 2 weeks, reopening childcare and schools, while hotspots wait till at least June.
We have the right to do whatever we want, but we wouldn't do that.
We got to open this economy. If we don't, it's going to collapse.
The Trump administration says it processed 14 years worth of small business loans in 14 days. Now the money's almost gone. Replenishing the Paycheck Protection Program still in limbo, Democrats insist on adding funds for hospitals, food stamps, state and local governments.
But we cannot do it by ossifying the lack of access to credit for smaller businesses in our country.
Capitol Hill is nearly empty with just a few leaders here keeping things going. President Trump wants to use a provision in the U.S. Constitution that has never been used before to adjourn Congress to shut them down for now so he can fill more than 100 vacancies that they have yet to act on. Even the Senate's top Republican says he's not on board with that. Tracy Potts, NBC News.
All right, Tracy, thank you. Wall Street has a mixed response today to the latest news on the economy as we give you a live look at the trading tally for the Dow Jones Industrials Average, which dropped nearly 300 points this morning, but has now recovered most of that loss. Investors are cautiously reacting to reports of more Americans applying for unemployment benefits. And as always, ClickOnDetroit.com packed with useful information to help you get through this crisis. It's all there for you on ClickOnDetroit.com/coronavirus. And we do invite you to join us tonight as Senators Gary Peters and Debbie Stabenow answer your questions about the coronavirus pandemic. We're teaming up together with other television stations here in Metro Detroit for a live town hall. You can submit your questions by, again, going to our website and then watch tonight at 7 right here on Local 4. All right, let's switch things up and talk weather for you right now. Meteorologist Brandon Roos standing by for us, and we saw some flakes flying by you a little bit. Yesterday, of course, we had a lot of flakes flying, and then there's more coming tomorrow.
There are. I mean, we've got some flakes out here right now. So it's just a flaky period here. So if you feel that way, you're not the only one. we have temperatures struggling, really. Winds picking up, and those winds dragging some of the lake-enhanced clouds and flakes our way. You can see here live look in Ann Arbor. We are stuck in the middle 30s. Those west-northwest winds are 7 to 17, gusting at times a little bit more, and not only dragging lake-enhanced clouds, flakes, but wind chills, low to middle 20s if you're heading out and about. Make sure you've got the hat, gloves, thicker coat. At best today, we get into the low 40s, although mid to late afternoon, we'll get into a little more sun, shooting for a high of about 43 degrees. You see a couple of those flakes flying across the area right now. But coming up, Evrod, we'll talk about who may need one of these for Friday's Snowmaker. Coming up.
Nope. I don't even know what that is. I put mine away a long time ago. And Brandon, we'll be talking to you in just a little bit. Maybe you can come out and shovel mine. For millions of Americans, stimulus money can't come fast enough. And New at Noon will tell you why the money might only be a Band-Aid for countless U.S. business owners and families.